So let's take this first example. It says using the binomial expansion formula, obtain the first four terms of the expansion 1 plus 1 over x, 1 plus 1 over 3x raised to power minus 2. Solution. You pick the problem which is 1 plus 1 over 3x raised to power minus 2. Compare it with this x plus y raised to power n. So you will agree with me that at this point, what is representing x is 1. In the place of x, you have 1. So x is equals to 1. Y, what is in the place of y? 1 over 3x. 1 over 3x. And then n is minus 2. In the place of n, you have minus 2. Then you quickly recall the binomial expansion formula for x plus y raised to power n, which is x raised to power n plus nx raised to power n minus 1y plus n into n minus 1 all over 2 factorial x raised to power n minus 2y raised to power 2 plus, remember the first four terms, which is this is 1, 2, 3. The fourth one will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 all over 3 factorial x raised to power n minus 3 y raised to power 3. That is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. Okay, now we substitute. So remember, you are dealing with 1 plus 1 over 3x raised to power minus 2. That will be equals to, in the place of x, anywhere you see x, you put 1. So here will be 1 over what is n minus 2. You have minus raised to power minus 2. Plus n is minus 2 times what is x? 1 raised to power what is n? Minus 2. Then minus 1. Minus 1. What is y? Y is 1 over 3x. Okay, we're done with that. Plus, and let's substitute here. In the place of n, you put minus 2 into, in the place of n, you put minus 2, then minus 1. Okay, all over 2 factorial. X is 1. That is times x is 1 raised to power minus 2. N is minus 2, then minus 2. In the place of y, you have 1 over 3x raised to power 2 plus the last one here, plus, I take it here. In the place of n, you put minus 2 times minus 2 minus 1 times minus 2 minus 2. Okay, all over 3 factorial. In the place of x, you put 1 times 1 raised to power n is minus 2 minus 3 minus 3. Then in the place of y, you put 1 over 3x raised to power 3. Now you are done with your substitution. The next thing now is to simplify this. So let me clean the up. Okay, quickly. Let me start with this. Please note that anything 1 raised to power anything will always give us 1. So even if I have 1 over 5, it is 1. 1 over minus 3 is 1. So that point is established. That means that 1 raised to power minus 2 is 1. So here I have 1 plus minus 2. Okay, let's deal with the power first. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. And I have said anything 1 raised to power anything is 1. 1 times minus 2 is minus 2. Look at it, minus 2 times 1 over 3x times 1 over 3x, which is, now numerator, this x is numerator, 3 is denominator. So minus 2 times 1 times x is minus 2x all over 3.
Mathematics tutorial with Emma Johnny.